Everyone, my name is Anagha and I'm part of the data science discovery team, and in this video today we're going to be doing a question on data frame selection and using pandas. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have the Taylor Swift albums. It says Carly, a Swiftie, has been super into Taylor Swift's Evermore and self-titled albums. Help her load the CSV file into a data frame that is called DF. Then create a new data frame that only consists of these albums and name it as DF albums. And then finally, filter for songs that are less than or equal to, let's say 280,000 MS from albums Evermore and self-titled, as Carly prefers shorter songs. Store these results in another frame that is called DF songs. And here we just have some helpful column names. So first, we have here, first we need to load the CSV file Taylor album songs into a .csv into a data frame that is called DF. So let's see, this is already done. It's preloaded. And before we kind of do anything else, let's go ahead and see what our data frame actually looks like. So I'm going to just output my DF here on line 7, and we can see here that it's essentially a data frame with all these different albums and kind of the release tracks, as well as kind of the two columns that we want to look at here is album name and this duration. So I think the duration is right here, and we basically want to filter out both of these columns into to create really our desired DF albums data frame. So the first thing to do here, it says here, step 1, filter for the desired albums, right? So the only albums we want to look at are Evermore and self-titled. So we want to go ahead and call it DF albums, right? Because we want to create a new data frame that only consists of these albums. And remember, our original data frame is called DF, so we want to filter from that. So again, I want to include the all my conditions basically in these brackets, and the column I'm looking at is album name, right? So I can either use dot notation and do df dot album name, or because it contains no spaces, so that's why we can use dot notation, or we can do the bracket notation where we have df bracket album underscore name. So it really just depends on choice, but remember, we can only use the dot notation when there are no spaces inside our column name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go along with the dot notation, and remember, this is a conditional, so eventually I have to wrap a pair of parentheses around this. So the df.album name, the first album should be Evermore, right? So I'm gonna put a double equals, and then Evermore is a string. So I wanna make sure I spelled that right. And then basically wrap this conditional to a pair of parentheses, and we want this this data frame underscore albums to contain the self-titled album. So we either want the album name to be Evermore, or we want the album name df.album name equals self-titled. So now when I go ahead and output my DF albums, I should only be seeing either Evermore or self-titled as these albums here. And when I go ahead and output that, remember, it's a good practice to really output the data frame every time you make a change, just so you can double check what you did is correct. So we can see here the album name is either self-titled or Evermore. It doesn't really contain anything else. And the second step here is to filter for songs of the desired duration and view the final data frame. So here, filter for songs that are less or equal to this amount, and then store these results in another data frame that is called DF songs. So DF songs is another data frame that only contains songs from these two albums that are shorter than this amount here. So remember, the data frame that we're filtering from is actually DF albums. If we were to filter from the entire data frame, that would contain all of the albums, but we only want to filter for songs from the albums Evermore and self-titled, which are stored in DF albums. So we only want to use DF albums when we do any of our filtering. So we want to do DF albums, and inside we want the DF albums dot, let's see here, duration underscore ms, that is the column name, to be less than or equal to 280,000. And now when we output df songs, we look at the, let's see here, the duration, and that is all less than or equal to 280,000. And again, I could have used bracket notation with this. Instead of a dot, I could have used bracket notation and then surrounded my column name with quotes. And again, that would basically do the same thing. And I think that's pretty much all the questions asking for, right? Store these results in another data frame called df songs. Remember, we filtered from our Evermore and self-titled albums. Remember, we used the or operator here because we either want songs from this album or songs from this the album number 2, and we want songs that are less than or equal to 280,000. And that should be stored in df songs, and then we just want to go ahead and output that. So when we run the code and submit it, that is correct, which of course we expected because we followed what the question said. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this made more sense, and I'll see you next time. Bye.